Did you know the sun provides enough energy to Earth in just 1 hour to power the entire world for an entire year? Yes, 1 hour of sunshine holds that much energy. Amazing, right?
Welcome to today's Solar Power 101 How to Turn Sunshine into Free Electricity, where we reveal the secrets behind solar energy. Together, we'll explore how it works, its benefits and challenges, and what Malaysia is doing to shine in the solar energy game. Let's get started!
Alright, first up, some fun fact about solar energy. Did you know that the Earth absorbs a whopping 173,000 terawatts of solar power every second? That's over 10,000 times more energy than we humans use daily. Mind-blowing, isn't it?
And did you know space missions rely on solar panels too? The International Space Stations, for instance, gets most of its power from large solar arrays. This shows how versatile solar energy is, even in space.
At this point, you may be thinking that solar energy is a modern high-tech product, but it is not. Here's a fun history tidbit. The idea of harnessing solar energy isn't new. Ancient civilizations used sunlight to light fires with magnifying glasses made from crystal. So technically, we have been used sun powered for centuries.
Speaking of potential in future, solar energy is one of the fastest growing energy sources globally. By 2030, solar is expected to supply about 20% of the world's electricity. It's not just sustainable, it's the future. Now, let's break down the science behind solar panels. These panels are made of smaller units called solar cells. They're usually crafted from silicon. Silicon is a superstar element, the second most abundant on Earth. But what makes silicon special? Let's dive in.
Silicon is a semiconductor. This means it can conduct electricity under certain conditions, making it perfect for capturing and converting sunlight into power.
Here's how it works. Each silicon atom has 4 bonds connecting it to its neighbors, creating a strong structure that holds electrons in place. To make a solar cell, we use 2 layers of silicon. One is N-type silicon with extra electrons, and the other is P-type silicon with space called holes.
When these 2 layers are combined, they form a junction called P/N junction, where electrons and holes meet. This creates an electric field that acts like a one-way gate, allowing electrons to flow in a single direction.
Now let's add sunlight to the equation. Light is made of tiny particles called photons. When photons hit the solar cell, they transfer energy to electrons, knocking them loose from their bonds. This process is called the photovoltaic effect.
Thanks to the electric field, these free electrons move toward the N-type layer, while the holes move to the P-type layer. The electrons flow through a circuit, creating electricity to power your gadgets and appliances.
It's like an assembly line where photons trigger electrons, and the electrons do all the work. And guess what? Solar panels don't have moving parts, so they last for decades with minimal maintenance.
So why should we go for solar? Let's look at the benefits first. Solar energy is renewable and sustainable. It won't run out as long as the sun shines, but its real heroics, protecting our environment.
Absolutely. Unlike fossil fuels, solar energy doesn't produce greenhouse gases or air pollutants. Every kilowatt of solar power reduces carbon emission, helping to slow climate change and improve air quality. Cleaner air means healthier lives and fewer respiratory issues.
Solar energy also preserves natural habitats by reducing the need for mining or drilling. And here's another cool fact: solar panels don't require water to generate power, unlike coal or nuclear plants. This makes solar energy a water-saving champion, crucial for regions that facing water scarcity.
Plus, once installed, solar panels are low maintenance and can cut electricity bills, saving your money while saving the planet. But there are a few challenges. Solar panels depend on sunlight, so cloudy days or nights mean no energy production at all. Storage solution like batteries can help, but they're still costly. These batteries need advanced technology and resources to produce, which contributes to their high price. Additionally, solar energy generation drops significantly in regions with long winters or heavy rainfall, making consistent energy supply a concern.
And speaking of cost, installing solar panel can be pricey upfront due to the materials and manufacturing processes involved. Silicon, the primary material in solar cell, require energy-intensive purification. The need for professional installation also adds to the expense.
However, many governments offer incentives to make it easier, such as tax breaks or subsidies. And don't forget, solar technology is constantly evolving, which could reduce these challenges in the future. Now, let's talk about Malaysia. Did you know Malaysia is stepping up its solar game? The government has introduced programs like the feed-in tariff and the net energy metering to encourage solar panel installation.
These programs let households sell excess solar energy back to the grid, reducing electricity bills and promoting renewable energy. For example, the NEM-RIOT scheme is tailored for residential users, while the non-government support government institutions.
To support these initiatives, the Malaysian government provides subsidies and incentives to reduce the upfront cost of solar panel installation. Homeowners can access financial assistance, making it easier to adopt renewable energy.
Malaysia also boasts impressive solar farms like those in Perlis and Kedah. The Science Park Smart Integrated Renewable Energy Park in Negeri Sembilan is another notable example integrating solar, biogas, and biomass energy. This project contributes to Malaysia's goal of generating 20% renewable energy by 2025. As we have seen, solar energy is more than just a trend. It's a vital part of our sustainable future. From its fascinating science to its profound environmental impact, solar power is lighting the way forward. And with countries like Malaysia embracing this clean energy revolution, we are one step closer to a brighter, greener planet.
So, let's all do our part, whether it's installing solar panels or simply learning more about renewable energy. Every effort counts. Remember, the future is bright because it's solar powered. Thank you for watching. Let's harness the power of the sun for a sustainable